planets in our solar system. We revolve around the sun. Join us to learn about...
Hello everyone, Teacher Lazan here. I'm so excited today to learn something about the solar system. Have you ever wondered what is in there? What is in the solar system? Let's explore something about the solar system and their object. The first thing that you should know about it is our beautiful bright sun. Here we have sun. Look at it. Sun is the star like many other stars that you can see at sky night, and sun is very far away from us, almost 9.3 million miles away. That is why it looks so small when you look at it. You know that sun provides energy for us, for the solar system, the light and heat. Without sun, there is no life on Earth and the plants cannot grow. Let's leave the sun and talk about many other objects in our solar system. You know that we have 9 planets. We're gonna make them to 2 parts. The inner planet and outer planet. The inner planet, the planets that closest to the sun like Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. And the planets that far away from the sun like Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune and Pluto. Let us leave the sun and learn about other objects in our solar system. You know that we have 9 planets. We're gonna make them into 2 parts, the inner planet and outer planets. The inner planets, those planets, they are very close to the sun like Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. And the outer planets, the planets that are very far away from the sun. For example, we have Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune and Pluto. The first planet and closest to the sun is Mercury. Mercury is very small planet and it has no moon and no air to breathe, and it is the fastest planet that revolves around the sun.
My name is Mercury. I'm the second hottest planet, the closest one to the sun. A year on my surface is 88 days. I'm the smallest, but I'm lots of fun.
The second planet from the sun in our solar system is Venus. Venus is a very hot planet and it is hotter than the Mercury. Maybe you're gonna wonder why Venus is hotter than Mercury, while Mercury is closest to the sun. Because Venus has a very thick atmosphere which made of carbon dioxide atmosphere.
My name is Venus. I'm the hottest planet, but the second planet from the sun. I'm the brightest planet in our solar system, and I'm too hot for anyone.
Let's go to other planets, which our planet is, our amazing planet that we can live on it is Earth. Earth has 2 rotations. One revolves around its axis and it makes day and night, and it takes like 24 hours. And it revolves around the sun and it makes 4 seasons.
My name is Earth. I'm the planet you live on, the third planet from the sun. I'm the only planet with organic life, so take care of me, 'cause we're all one.
The 4th planet from the sun is Mars. Mars knows the red planet because of the iron dioxide and very high mountains give it red color. Here we have a small rocky object which located between Mars and Jupiter. We're gonna name them asteroids. Jupiter come next. Here we have Jupiter. Jupiter is the biggest planet in our solar system, which has 67 moons. We're gonna call Jupiter gas giant because it's made mostly of gases and it is very, very big. The other gas giant planet is Saturn. Saturn famous for its beautiful ring, which is made of small particles, small ice particles, and as well as rock and dust. It has almost 60 moons. Beautiful Uranus. Uranus, other gas giant planet. It has a very lovely blue color because of a cloud is in the Uranus atmosphere. Here we have Neptune. Neptune is also blue, but is darker blue than the Uranus. Neptune has 14 moons and it takes very, very long time to orbit around the sun because it has a very long orbit. You may think that we've forgotten someone. No, here we have Pluto. Pluto, in the past, the scientists considered and listed in the 9th planet. But today, they considered the Pluto in the dwarf planet because it is very, very small, even smaller than the moon.
There are 8 planets in the solar system. We revolve around the sun. Join us to learn about...
Hello, good morning. My name is Daria Sherwan. In grade 4, I learn solar system in grade 3 and 4. We have planets, asteroids, comets, and stars orbit around the sun.
Hello everyone, my name is Dima from grade 4 and I've learned about the solar system, the inner planets and the outer planets. The inner planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. The outer planets are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune and Pluto.
Hello, my name is Karia. Today I'm going to be talking about the solar system, which I learned in grade 3 and 4. Solar system is a planet and their moons that orbit around the central star. Star is a burning sphere of gases. Also, I learned that the Earth takes 365 days to complete a revolution of orbiting around the sun, which makes 4 seasons.
Hi everyone, my name is Larin. I learned the solar system in grade 3 and 4. Asteroids is a rocky object that moves around the sun. Earth moves around its axis. It makes 24 hours. It makes day and night. Also, I learned space probe is an unmanned vehicle that carry cameras and instruments and other tools.
Hello, my name is Ran. I'm grade 4 and I'm learning a star burning a ball of the gases.
Hello, my name is Bulant. I'm grade 4. I learned planets. We have 8 planets. Inner planet, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. Outer planet, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto.
Hi, my name is Lenia. I'm grade 4. I learned asteroid. This asteroid, a rocky object that moves around between Mars and Jupiter.
There are 8 planets in the solar system. We revolve around the sun. Join us to learn about...